This video, I really enjoyed shooting this video because this one is about habits, behaviors and rituals. You see, it's all about habits. Successful people have successful habits and unsuccessful people have unsuccessful habits. It's all about habits. So what you want to think about now is, looking back at that score you put on the previous video, which was how effective are you, I want you to now come up with 3 habits, behaviors or rituals that you would display if you were 15% more effective. So if you were to raise your game by 15%, so take the score from the previous video and pretend that it has increased by 15%, what would be some of the habits, behaviors or rituals that you would display? You see, if you can form the habit of thinking about these habits and keep developing them more and more, you'll become more effective, you'll make more progress, you'll feel more fulfilled and get better results. And I want you to remember that a bad habit is easy to form but hard to live with. And a good habit is harder to form but easy to live with. So come up with 3 habits, behaviors or rituals that you would display if you were 15% more effective. And some of the ones that people have talked about before when I've done workshops and seminars and masterclasses, things like focus. It may be using your time better. It might be managing distractions. These are some of the ones that keep coming out. Another one was confidence. Another one was strategic thinking. Another one was planning. These are some of the ones that have come out in the past when I've done this in a seminar or a live workshop. Of course, Stephen Covey's great book, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, there may be something in there. The point about this video, though, is to understand how critical it is to look at our habits, behaviors and rituals and realize that we've actually possibly got some bad habits that we've let form over time that are preventing us from being as effective. The whole purpose of this exercise is to think that if I take my score from the previous video, what would you look like? I want you to ask yourself the question, what would I look like if I was 15% more effective? And what would be some of the habits that I would display, or rituals or behaviors, would I have if I was 15% more effective? Remembering, it's all about habits. That's the action from this video that's fully identified in your workbook as well.